Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to number 84 Montgomery Drive in Alexandra Hills. Impressive from the outside, but wait till you see inside. The location is superb. Parkland just down the road and a quiet location.
Hi, what you're going to love about this property is the privacy. It has main bedroom at the front of the house with ensuite, walk-in robe, separate to the other bedrooms. You have separate living area, outdoor entertaining space, drive-through garage. Move in, enjoy. I'm Lisa. I'll see you at the open.